Let me show you how to infuse that delicious champagne spark right into a cupcake. Hey you guys, if you're looking to add a little kick and sophistication to your desserts, this is the perfect recipe for you. Not only are they perfect for New Year's, they are great desserts for bridal showers, birthday milestones, and even fancy dinners or brunch parties. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I post new videos every week. So without further ado, let's dive right into this recipe. So I'm going to start off by making a champagne reduction. On a stovetop, you're going to bring 1.5 cups of champagne to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 minutes. You'll be left with about less than half of what you started with. Let that cool down on your countertop or in the fridge. Next, you're going to mix your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine and sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Make sure you give it a good mix with a whisk. Now I'm going to measure out the milk and sour cream. Make sure these two ingredients are at room temperature. You can do this by putting it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so now it's time to cream the butter and sugar. I'm using a stand mixer, but you can use a handheld mixer if you like. It's very important to cream these two ingredients for about 5 minutes to get a light and fluffy texture. Next step is to add half of the eggs and mix it into the creamed butter and sugar until well combined. Add the other half of the eggs and mix again. Next, add the vanilla extract and champagne reduction. Make sure you keep the rest of the champagne reduction for later use. We're going to infuse the flavor even more later on, and also we're going to add it into the frosting. So it's very important to set that reduction aside. You're going to want to mix this until well combined for about 1 minute. Alright, so now we're going to combine the wet and dry ingredients. We are just going to alternate mixing them in. So you're going to start with taking about 1/3 of the dry ingredients and add it to the mixing bowl and mix on low speed. After 10 seconds, it should be just combined. You're going to take half of the wet ingredients and pour that in and mix at low speed again. Again, after 10 seconds, you're going to add half of what's left of the dry ingredients. Mix that for a few seconds. Then add and mix the rest of the milk mixture. Add the last of the dry ingredients. Mix on low speed until just combined, and just make sure you don't overmix here. Next, it's time to fill the cupcake liners. I have taller liners here, so just fill your cupcake liners halfway full. Put them in the oven for 14 to 17 minutes and do the toothpick test to make sure they are fully cooked. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool down for at least 25 minutes. We're going to infuse more champagne into the cupcake by taking a silicone brush and soaking some of the reduction onto the cupcakes. So just dab a little bit of the reduction onto each cupcake. Okay guys, so now it's time to make some quick, delicious champagne frosting. In the bowl of your stand mixer, combine the softened butter, sifted powdered sugar, heavy cream, vanilla, and champagne reduction. Mix on low until all the ingredients are well combined. Then you're going to mix on high speed for 10 minutes. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl every now and then, and after 10 minutes, you're going to have this light and fluffy frosting. It's that easy, guys. So to smooth it out even more, we're going to mix it on low speed for 2 minutes to remove air bubbles. Now it's time to frost and decorate your cupcakes any way you like. These cupcakes have such a fun, sophisticated twist to them. They just embody celebration all around, and I hope you try this recipe out for your next festivities. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.